Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to rank Fiverr Gig videos in just 5 minutes. If you're a freelancer on Fiverr, you know how important it is to have a high-ranking gig video to attract clients. In this video, we'll be sharing tips on how to create an effective Fiverr Gig video and rank it quickly. Part 1. Creating an effective Fiverr Gig video. Keep it short and sweet. Fiverr Gig videos should be no more than 1 to 2 minutes long. Make sure your video is engaging, straight to the point, and showcases your skills and expertise. Use high-quality visuals, including images and videos that accurately represent your services. Avoid using generic stock images or videos that don't reflect your services. Highlight your unique selling point. Make sure to highlight what makes your services unique and stand out from the competition. This will help potential clients understand why they should choose you over other freelancers. Add a call to action. Encourage potential clients to take action by adding a clear call to action at the end of your video. This could be as simple as order now or contact me. Part 2. Ranking your Fiverr Gig video. Optimize your title and tags. Use keywords that are relevant to your services in your title and tags. This will help potential clients find your video when they search for services on Fiverr. Encourage engagement. Encourage viewers to like, share, and comment on your video. The more engagement your video has, the more likely it is to rank higher in Fiverr's search results. Promote your video. Share your Fiverr Gig video on social media platforms and your own website to drive more traffic to your Fiverr Gig page. Use Fiverr's Promoted Gig feature. Consider using Fiverr's Promoted Gig feature to increase your gig's visibility and attract more potential clients. Being available online and keeping your status active on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork can increase the chances of receiving orders. When you are online, potential clients may see your status and feel more comfortable contacting you since they know you are active and available. Additionally, being available online can improve your response time, which is an important factor for clients who are looking for fast and efficient service. However, simply being online is not a guarantee that you will receive orders. It is important to have a well-crafted profile, a strong portfolio, and to actively promote your services on the platform. You should also ensure that your prices are competitive and that you are providing high-quality service to your clients. To improve your chances of getting orders, you can also consider taking advantage of the platform's marketing features, such as Fiverr's Promoted Gig feature or Upwork's proposal system, which can help you reach a larger audience and increase your visibility on the platform. Overall, being online and keeping your status active can be helpful in getting orders, but it is just one aspect of a successful freelance career. You should also focus on providing high-quality service, actively promoting your services, and taking advantage of the platform's marketing features to attract more clients and grow your business. By following these tips, you can create an effective Fiverr Gig video and rank it quickly. Remember to keep your video short and sweet. Use high-quality visuals, highlight your unique selling point, and add a clear call to action. And don't forget to optimize your title and tags, encourage engagement, promote your video, and use Fiverr's Promoted Gig feature to attract more potential clients. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Fiverr gigs. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.